Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are well. This is another video about affiliate marketing passive income presented by UKT IT. Today I will show you everything you need to know to start your own affiliate marketing strategy from hero to. In this video, I'll show you everything you need to know to start your own affiliate marketing strategy from zero to hero in 7 easy and clear steps. Okay, let's start. This is road to success. First of all, you need to start your affiliate marketing, then proper planning, and then way to hard work. After about all of these steps, you will go to your success. In this post, I will show you about affiliate marketing strategy, proper guidelines, and 7 easy ways and steps. How can I do my best? It's a question of you and everyone. As you all know, every single day I do my best to answer each one of you and give you my best advice based on my experience. So I think that my best advice I can give you today is to 3 answer. Number 1, get out of your comfort zone. Number 2, stop complaining. Number 3, take action on a new job. By these 3 steps, you can do your best. Then I have 3 advice also. Innovate yourself, improve your skills, reach everything you want. Okay, a lot of you are asking me for suggestion to get a job and make money. Start thinking that you have plenty of time and money is the last thing you did. Get your job for your goals, not for this money. Okay, every job I can suggest you is nothing if you don't get the real passion and motivation to do it. Even if it is an easy job like affiliate marketing or others, it will not get you to reach your dreams if you don't have any patience or mindset. Okay, now I want to talk about what is passion. Constantly on it to reach them. Find your real passion, think about what you need, and set up your mindset to start your new job as a great affiliate marketer. I'm going to work with you through everything you need to know to start affiliate marketing from zero to hero. Let's start to talk about what is affiliate marketing. You need to know that affiliate marketing is performance-based marketing. So keep always in your mind that you have to track your performance every single day. Affiliates means people like you that want to start a profitable job, promote a vendor's product or service, and get compensated or commissions for every sale, visit, or subscription they send to the merchant. There are different ways you can run, manage, and promote an affiliate program, and this way involve multiple parties in the relationship. Now I have suggested 7 steps to start affiliate marketing for you. Let's go. 7 steps to start affiliate marketing. Number 1, choose an affiliate marketing platform like Amazon or ClickBank, etc. Number 2, choose your niche, your category, or your what do you want. Choose your niche first. Number 3, search for the best product. Which is the best product for you? You can search in Google or YouTube to know about details. Okay, in the next video I'll try to discuss about the search for the best product topics. Then get affiliate program link. You can sign up if you don't have any account in Amazon or ClickBank or other sector. You need to sign up to get affiliate program link. Then plan your strategy. How can you improve your affiliation? It's totally depends on you. Then take action. Lastly, be consistent. It's more and more important things for you that be consistent. Okay, they buy the product, that means customer buy the product, you get a commission. It's affiliate marketing system. Okay, so guys, let's start. Here's exactly what you have to do. Start your affiliate business right now from scratch. Remember, nothing is easy, my friend. No shortcuts, but hard work, strategy, ideas, and consistency is everything you do. Your success depends on consistency and proper planning. Next video, we'll discuss about Amazon affiliate marketing program details. Thank you so much.